Claude Code versus Cursor AI. So, let's go to their features and capabilities. Claude Code uses Anthropic's powerful Claude model to generate context aware code suggestions, refactoring, and explanations. Cursor, on the other hand, is a code editor built from the ground up for AI pair programming, featuring inline completions, chat based debugging, and multi file context. So let's go to the ease of use. Claude Code is extremely lightweight. You can just open a chat interface and start coding help right away. This is perfect for those who like conversational guidance. Meanwhile, in Cursor, it feels like a full IDE, which can be overwhelming at first, but very powerful once you get the hang of it. And now let's go to the integration and their workflow. Claude Code integrates well with VS Code through its extensions, but it works best when paired with its native web interface. On the other hand, Cursor has a built-in editor version control, and it supports multiple languages natively, which lets you code end-to-end without switching tools. And let's go to the pricing. Claude Code runs on a subscription model tied to Claude Pro, while Cursor has a free plan but it limits AI calls. Its Pro plan unlocks unlimited AI context and priority processing. So, for final verdict, if you want a simple chat first experience, you can go for Claude Code. But if you want a full AI coding workflow inside one tool, you can go for Cursor AI. So if this video helped you, make sure to like and subscribe. Thank you for watching.